Oh, wait, no, it's not. All right, guys. NS, this is taking forever, but NS 740.
I don't think it is 7. Is that 744?
That's short.
Yeah.
That is like short.
It's
That's
only
like
got 2 units on it too.
that's like very short, isn't it? That's like, dude, it's already around the curve like that. He's short for a coal train. We'll see if it is 744. Look at all the birds. He did not have a decent AC on him. Well, I'm gonna see real quick. That, like how? That's weird. That's really weird. Let's see. Dude, it's coal cars and cement cars. That's it. That's one of the shortest trains I've seen this week. I saw 2 really short trains, this one and then a mixed freight, which is probably 163. Look how short that was. Bud. See you guys real quick.